JD's in Lentilman. It's a very sad day. The pool has been closed for 2024. Depressing. Absolutely depressing. We got a nice gray sky day to go along with it. It was nice till the very, very end. Today is September 25th, 2024. I was able to delay it a bit this year because the weather held out, and my favorite pool closer guy, Jesse, was available that day. So I said, perfect. And once again, he did a great job. I don't care about straps and crap like that hanging out. Here is a little messy, but otherwise, you know, straight, nice. Did this up nice. You know, it just kind of flows. It's okay. Some years he's tucked it in. Whatever. It's all good. He had to replace like 5 water bags. They're kind of all around this side here. This is a weird one where it's only got one big tube. Oh, I guess that's another one of those. These are new. I got some, but you know, I don't say nothing. Just did that. The other guy that was here, who, you know, was the bitch on the job, had to fill the water bags and take the plugs out and all that kind of stuff. Take the jets out, rather. He put the plugs in, and the pressure from his blowout thing was too much, and 2 of them popped out and went in the pool. So I fished them out with a net, and that was all good. I'll come back over here to the pool equipment. Just got to fix the hose. Oh, little bunny. He's been buzzing around over here. There he is, right under, I don't know if you can see him, right under the, yeah, there he is. See him? Wildlife, ladies and gentlemen. I can't see him now. He's there. There he is. The wildlife. Jesse was saying there's been a whole bunch of them. I got tape on the bung. Tape on that. Tape on that. He left well enough alone with the chlorinator. He said, we don't take this out, right? I said, nope, we leave it. Everything's good. Valve is between settings where it should be. Solar is not right where it should be. I'll fix that. I think he played with the Julio switch because I had it in override here, which it is. We still have power, so we got to play with the Julio switch. It's here. No, this way. So now it's open. And shut. Pump's gone, obviously. Tape on that, tape on that. Tape, no tape underneath, which is typically what's done for whatever reason. Blew out the solar. Closed one of these. That's a little weird. Might have to open that so I don't forget next year, because that would stuck. Oh, he shut it because the Stairjet one just popped out, so that was why. Yeah, otherwise, nice clean job as usual. He shut the 240 breaker, but left that on, which is actually okay, although I'm going to shut it. Fence lights and all that stuff is plugged in there. And the lights that I had down here around the rhododendron, around Rhoda, had stopped working, and I have begun to address the issue. I have some ideas as far as how to improve Wi-Fi signal. But him shutting the breaker and then saying, maybe I should leave that one on for whatever reason, reset them. I didn't do that this year because then that cascades to the fence lights, which then may not pick up its Wi-Fi signal. But it so turns out everything reset and they worked beautifully. Everything was good. But it was toward the end of the summer when they just didn't want to work anymore, so whatever, it didn't matter. Plants are, this one is doing well, although he's getting a little dried up there. This didn't make it. This is still barely hanging on, as are the other plants here. Still just a couple of flowers. This one kind of died off and sort of came back, and this one was beautiful and then went all scraggly, but hey, it's still got flowers, so that's that. We went in the pool practically every single day until the very, very end. The water was a minimum of 80 degrees. Only in the last week or so did it tone down a bit to like 78, and then would get back up to 80 during the day. So we were very, very fortunate in that aspect. The water was nice and warm. Last day, as I was draining it, I said, I'm going one more time while it's draining, just so I get my last licks in, you know. And the water was 74. And it was tough to get in, but not impossible. And once you were in, you were good. So I think we just kind of, like, there were some days where we're like, 79, I don't know. We were kind of like pussying out a couple days here and there, but otherwise, yeah, what a hell of a pool season for this year. Got a lot of use. A lot of use. It was really, really good. I had a bit of a scare sometime this year. I usually go for my walks at night and then take a few extra steps right into the pool when I get back. I stopped doing that this year. I'm not happy about that. I had a scare one night, and it wasn't any kind of burglar or somebody trying to mug me or anything. I was walking, I do about 2 miles, and I got about 1.25 miles to 1.5 miles, and my legs turned to like jello. They were very wibbly wobbly, and it was tough to get home. And I don't know why. It was just a one-off thing, but it kind of scared me and put me off from my walks. Hopefully I'll resume that next summer and can enjoy that. Another thing that we didn't do this year much was go in the pool during the day. We only went in at night because then you got all the lights and everything. It was so nice and that, but it started getting really cool at night, so we started going in during the day. And with the sun out, oh yeah, absolutely, that was good. But yeah, once again, an exemplary pool closing. In fact, when I called up, they want you to book the stuff online, but I'm old school. I call them. So I called, and the lady who answered is the same lady who's been there. I know her name also. Her name is Melissa. And I said, hey, do you remember me? Well, what's your name? And I gave her my name. She looked it up, and she's like, yep, what's going on? I said, need my pool closed, but I need Jesse. And she said, everybody needs Jesse. I said, shit, that means that it's going to be tough to get. But no, I mean, it worked out, so that's all good. It's going to suck to open again, but hey, it was a great summer, and I really cannot complain about that. I have like a styrofoam jobber that I put here for the corner. This is the same cover that I've had from last year. I decided to save it. There is a hole in it somewhere. There's a little water leaking through already. This cover is shot for next year, so definitely throwing it out then. But as for now, it'll do whatever. So it's all done for the season. But like I said, what a hell of a season it was. It was really, really, really rewarding for all of the hard work that I had to put in. So I think that really is going to just about do it. That's going to wrap it up. So thanks so much for watching. Very sad day, but it's got to happen someday. today was the day. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next year. And yep, next year we're going to do it all again. Great. Really looking forward to all of that work.